Hi everyone, Kathleen Brooks here, Research Director at XTB. I wanted to give you a quick update about Tesla's share price, as it's been hugely volatile so far this year. It's fallen by nearly 24% since the start of January, but it rallied by 4% at the start of this week. We recently wrote about Tesla's dreadful earnings report for Q4. They reported weaker than expected earnings and profits, and they also said that their vehicle sales would be weaker this year than last year. This is exactly the message that investors hate to hear, and it's the reason why the stock tumbled more than 10% last week. But after Tesla's stock lost $205 billion of value this year and knocked Elon Musk off the world's richest man spot, the tide could be turning. There are three main reasons why Tesla's share price might recover in the coming weeks. Firstly, it's looking oversold from a technical perspective, and the relative strength index is at its lowest level for a year. So while the fundamental story might not be supportive for Tesla's share price right now, the technical picture looks like a contrarian indicator. Secondly, Tesla is still a very productive company. Its Model Y was the world's most popular car in 2023, according to Tesla. Added to this, its Fremont factory was the most productive in North America last year, producing 560,000 vehicles. So it's definitely not a company that's ready for the scrap heap just yet. And finally, although last week's earnings report didn't put much meat on the bones of its future plans, this week there's been more detail about what Tesla is planning for 2024. It announced that capital expenditure would top $10 billion this year and be between $8 and $10 billion in 2025 and 2026. This has cheered the market and given them hope that Tesla has a plan in place, and also that it will use this money to build the next generation of world-beating EVs. This news has changed the mood around Tesla, but we'll have to see if this helps to boost the share price in the coming days and weeks. Thanks everyone for joining, and see you next time.